Ready to own a premium condo in one of the most promising locations? Welcome to Commodore. For those wondering, the name Commodore is the rank above Captain and just below Real Admiral, a fitting title for a development that aims to stand out and lead in luxury living. With the transformation plans announced by PM Lawrence Wong at the 2025 National Day Rally, the nearby Sembawang shipyard will soon be transformed into a vibrant waterfront destination, complete with dining, shopping, and community spaces. The North-South Corridor, Singapore's first integrated 21.5km transport corridor, completion from 2029. The Rapid Transit System (RTS) link connecting Woodlands North to Bukit Chegar in JB, Malaysia is projected to start service in December 2026. All this point to one thing: strong growth and future value for homeowners and investors alike. This development is home to just 219 exclusive units. Out of this, there are only 10 rare 5-bedroom layouts. This unit spans a generous 1668 square feet. Now we are in the living area. Look at how spacious and efficient this layout is. Allows you to fully maximize every corner of the home. The developer, JBE, has carefully curated top-of-the-line fittings for the kitchen and bathrooms, providing a luxury finish that rivals even the core central region projects. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. With 225 car lots, including EV charging stations, residents enjoy true one-to-one parking and the convenience of future-ready infrastructure. So, if you are looking for a rare, spacious 5-bedroom unit in a fast-transforming region, the Commodore offers the perfect combination of exclusivity, convenience, and long-term upside. Don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of the future at the Commodore. My name is Jonathan Tan. Contact me and I'll be happy to show you the place.